$69. 39 Wineberry. One, two, three, four windows so far. They need new blinds. The paint doesn't look horrendous. Overall, it looks okay, but I feel like fresh paint would give the home a completely upgraded, modern, clean feel to it. Beautiful undermount sink with quartz counters. We have a pet door here. A lot of grass. This is nice to have this built-in patio overhang because this is the side that would get evening sun. Sorry, that was louder than I expected. Same flooring. It's a very large garage with some room for storage. The carpet looks like a dated style, but in good condition. 4 or 5 windows. The countertops and the sink fixtures look great. So that was 4 or 5. Six. Cabinets look great throughout. 7. I'm counting windows that need. Whoa. 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 There is a large closet. Bathroom. Okay, did not expect that. Let's count those as 3 windows for now. So let Jenny decide on how she wants to treat that. This would be removed. So 3, 4, 5, probably put a ceiling, some other light fixture or a ceiling fan in there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 windows. And that's the house.